Hi, welcome to Smart Science. In today's video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of honeybees and uncover the step-by-step process of how they collect nectar for their babies. Stick around to learn something incredible about nature's tiny engineers. Step 1. The search begins, foraging for nectar. The journey starts with forager bees, who leave the hive in search of flowers. These bees are like nature scouts, equipped with excellent vision and a keen sense of smell to locate the best nectar-filled flowers. They use their proboscis, a straw-like tongue, to sip nectar from the flowers. While doing this, they also collect pollen, which is vital for plant reproduction. Step 2. The storage tank, bees' honey stomach. Once they collect the nectar, the bees store it in their honey stomach, a special organ separate from their main stomach. Here, enzymes start breaking down the sugars in the nectar, turning it into a substance that can eventually become honey. Step 3. The return trip to the hive. After the honey stomach is full, the forager bee flies back to the hive. This trip can take hours, depending on how far the flowers are. These bees can carry almost half their weight in nectar. Step 4. Teamwork inside the hive. Once inside the hive, the forager bee passes the nectar to a worker bee through mouth-to-mouth transfer. This process continues until the nectar is spread across the hive. Worker bees fan their wings to evaporate excess water, turning the nectar into the thick, golden honey we all recognize. Step 5. Storage for the babies. The processed honey is then stored in wax cells of the honeycomb. Once the cells are full, the bees seal them with a wax cap to keep the honey fresh. This honey serves as food for the bee colony, especially for baby bees, known as larvae. Step 6. Feeding the larvae. Nurse bees feed the larvae a mixture of honey, pollen, and royal jelly. This nutritious food helps the larvae grow into healthy adult bees, ensuring the colony thrives. Conclusion. Isn't it amazing how honeybees work together to create honey, not just for us to enjoy, but primarily for their babies? Their teamwork and efficiency are a testament to the wonders of nature. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Science for more amazing content.
See you next time.
Stay curious, stay smart, and keep exploring the wonders of science.